Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Google Drive. The next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign. The next thing you need to do is to click on upload. Then from your phone camera, select the photo you want to save into your Google Drive. You can select as many as possible photos. I'm going to select this. Click and hold down and select as many as possible photos. When you are done, click on select to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on upload. Upload complete. Click on open. Then you have all the photos right here, successfully saved in your Google Drive. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.